and welcome to the thorough newspaper analysis for 19th October 2022. So today's editorial article has been taken from the Hindu and it is titled Whose Pleasure. Following that, we will have the news update and the legal news, which you know are a part of LawSikho's initiative. So for today's article, Whose Pleasure, it talks about the recent uh, difficulty that is arisen with the statements of the governor of Kerala. So the Constitution of India contains that no provision will give sufficient power to a governor to remove a minister from office based on his likes and dislikes. And in light of this, the governor of Kerala's indirect threat of removing ministers as he pleases does not do justice to the dignity of the office of the governor, nor does it abide by his constitutional rights. So when talking about this topic, now we need to delve deep as to why he said that and whether the claims that he has made is legally tenable or not. Firstly, Article 164 of the Indian Constitution states that the CM shall be appointed by the governor. It is also stated that the ministers will indeed hold office during the pleasure of the governor. Now, there have been instances where the CM has been removed by the governor, but we need to keep in mind that they have been purely constitutional, like they have been removed purely based on constitutional reasons. It was not based on the whim of a governor. Nothing in the article means that the governor may independently dismiss a minister. The pleasure doctrine that is being talked about here in the statement that it is also stated that ministers will hold office during the pleasure of the governor. So this pleasure doctrine, it exists only in a constitutional sense and it is exercised by a governor only on the advice of the chief minister. That is, in other words, the term pleasure of the governor is used as a euphemism to refer to the chief minister's power to drop a minister from the council of ministers. Now, the confrontation mainly exists regarding the governor's reluctance to grant assent to the Kerala University Laws Amendment Bill 2022. Now, as we know, if a state goes forward and sends a bill to the governor for his assent, and if he does not agree to the same, he will return the bill back to the state legislature for them to deliberate upon it. Now, this has not been the case with the Kerala University Laws Amendment Bill of 2022. After the same had been sent to the governor has not returned the bill to the state legislature, neither has he given his assent, and he's sitting on it. So, to this end, the education minister of the state said that the governor should return the bill for reconsideration instead of holding it indefinitely. Now, even the Pucci Commission, which reviewed center-state relations, it recommended that governors should not be burdened with the role of chancellors, which is addressed in this particular bill. So, with this now leading to a heated debate, governors should remain very aware of their constitutional duties, and it is being seen that the governors have an exaggerated view of their duties nowadays. So with that, we move on to the news updates for today. Firstly, we have the GITEX Global 2022. Now, the GITEX Global 2022 saw the largest ever contingent of Indian companies participating in the event held in Dubai, United Arab Emirates. The GITEX Global provides a platform for startups to explore business and investment opportunities by showcasing innovative products, technology skills, and sustainable ideas. Secondly, we have the youngest player in men's T20 World Cup 2022. Now, UAE's teenage sensation Ayan Khan scripted history as he became the youngest player to feature in the T20 World Cup. The young batting all-rounder was in the playing 11 as UAE locked horns with Netherlands in their opening game with the ongoing T20 World Cup 2022. Thirdly, we have Railway Minister inaugurates India's first aluminium freight rake. The Union Minister of Railways, Communications and Electronics and Information Technology, Shri Ashwani Vaishnaw, inaugurated India's first aluminium freight rake, 61 BOB RNAL HSM1 at Bhubaneswar Railway Station. The destination of this freight rake is Bilashpur. Fourth, we have the 9th World Ayurveda Congress and Arogya Expo. So the ninth World Ayurveda Congress in Arogya Expo will be held in Panaji, Goa from the 8th to 11th of December 2022. The ninth World Ayurveda Congress aims to transformationally push Ayurveda to bring into the global focus. For legal updates today, we have Part 9B of Constitution is not applicable to local cooperative societies. It applies only to multi-state societies and societies in union territories. Now, the Supreme Court in the case of Manoj Tiwari versus Manish Sisodia held that Part 9B inserted by the Constitution 97th Amendment Act 2011 would not be applicable to the local cooperative societies, and the same would be applicable to the multi-state cooperative societies and the societies within the union territories. So that was all for today. For free study materials and TNA PDF slides, please join our Telegram channel, the link of which you can find in the description, or you can always go forward and scan the barcodes that is given on your screen. For any further information, please feel free to visit www.lawsikho.com. Thank you.